listen. I'd like to record the bathwater again tonight, and I hope you'll come and join me. So I come in peace, friendship, and light. Let's do this. Could you please tell me your names, if you are here with me tonight, please? In past sessions, I've heard the name Russell mentioned quite a few times. Could you tell me who Russell is, please? And did I know him when he was alive? Or is he just somebody who pops in? Are you here tonight, Russell? Russell, if you are here and you can hear me, can you tell me whereabouts you used to come from? Or where you actually come from before you passed? Is there anyone over your side that I actually knew who comes to talk to me? Alf, I know, is my grandfather. Who else do we have? Is it possible to tell me what it is like where you are, please? I have asked this question quite a few times. You've yet to tell me. Could anybody tell me the name of that town or that city where they used to live? Do you remember? I'm from Malden in Essex. Another question, if I may. Do we have anyone from abroad, a different country? able to speak to me without using the running water? Pure voice, pure EVP. Please try your hardest. Okay, I'd like to say thank you for tonight's experiment. Love and light to you all.